I have these two blanket squares that I am going to join together with slip stitch. These are C2C corners for my Nordic Winter Crochet Along, and each of the squares has a half double crochet border around them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the wrong sides together, and then in the back loops of the square, of the half double crochet stitches, I'm going to do a slip stitch. Okay, so the back loops will be touching each other. So I'm just going to get this first corner stitch back loops together. And I'm just going to do it in the same color, white. Gonna add a stitch there to join. Okay. So in the back loops only, these are the loops that are touching each other. Just going to do a slip stitch all the way down the side. There are definitely other ways to join squares together. You can look them up. There's single crochet join, there's mattress stitch, whip stitch. Each of them have their pros and cons. But in the end, you just kind of have to choose one, because you could drive yourself crazy. I don't know if I have my stitches lined up here. Did I skip one? In the end, you just have to pick one. Okay. So you'll see with this slip stitch, it's going to have a little bit of raised, but that's just kind of a fun texture there. And I just like the look of it. And it's really simple, and you don't have to pick up a needle. You just use your crochet hook. So what you do is you get a nice section. If I had more of these squares ready to go, I would just add them and keep going. And then just do it this way first, and then do the slip stitch, on this side as well.